Is the forecast calling for hot weather? You need to help your pollinators. Stay tuned. Hi, it's the Thoughtful Gardener, and today we're going to be talking about bee baths. This is one of the easiest things you can do for pollinators, and all of your critters in your garden actually will really appreciate this. I found the other day a very large native bee, and she was out in a parking lot kind of struggling, so I scooped her up on a leaf and I carried her over into the shade. But what happens this time of year is it can get overwhelmingly hot, and the bees can become very disoriented, just like a person can, when they're overheated. And so one thing you can do is just grab a small container. I found this at a thrift store for about $5, and I've had it for years now, and we've used it over and over again. And then have a friend, maybe a little friend gardener in your life that could help pick up some really nice rocks. Now what we want to do is use those rocks or those treasures, and we want to just barely cover them with water. This is going to allow the pollinator to get down into the water and take a little sip, and then also keep their feet dry and their wings dry, and then be on their merry way. So if you're hot, your pollinators are hot. Make sure you're cleaning the water out so that you're not attracting mosquitoes, and make sure that you put it in a shady place so that they're not having to stand in the hot sun in hot water to get a quick drink. Garden thoughtfully and take care.